A project is about signature verification system using Siamese neural network and a pre-trained model as ResNet50. We use two images, one as reference image and one as verification image. Our dataset has been divided into two. One, the normal numbers contain the genuine images in that, and the folders which has the number and forge written to next to it contains the forged images. As you may see, as I have taken both the images from the genuine folder, the result is genuine. As I had taken one image from the genuine folder and one from the forged, the result is forged as the image had been taken from the forged folder. Uh, the model compares two images. If they are just a minor difference, then there will be a genuine result. The verification result will be genuine. If there are major changes in the image, then the confidence level will be zero and the result will be forged.